If you've ever thought to yourself that you would love to do more personalized or customized graphic print-on-demand products, but were out of your depth on how, this is the perfect video for you. Today, I'm going to show you, as somebody with zero design experience, how to make best-selling print-on-demand designs that are personalizable and customizable so you can get them listed now before the huge end-of-year holiday rush at the end of November and December. By the end of this video, you are going to know a couple of different ideas that I have that I think would perform really well with print on demand in the gifting space, and exactly how you would design them and which products you might be able to place them on to drive insane amounts of revenue. And before you say it, I have a lot of people that'll say like, oh, well, if it was so easy, she would just be doing it herself. I hear you. Fair, right? If it was so easy, I would just be making millions of dollars doing print-on-demand designs. This is a business model that you need to spend the time to do it. And so while, yes, I think this is a phenomenal business idea and shop idea, it still requires time. Life is trade-offs of time, and I do not have time to go in and launch every single phenomenal business that I share with you, but they are still really great business ideas, and I can promise you that. I enjoy spending time making videos like this to help you guys with free sauce to go in and launch your own print-on-demand journeys, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. A lot of folks know that print-on-demand is getting crowded, or it's hard to break through, it's super saturated. You can stand on whichever side of the fence that you want there, but what is undoubted is that when you have a personalized and customized design, it automatically involves a new selling point that people are very interested in for gifting in particular, because you can't just go down to Target and get a personalized item. So people are utilizing platforms like Etsy or different like online shops in order to get these really bespoke, custom, beautiful products. And that is an area with print on demand that we have a benefit because everything is made to order. And in addition to that, you can spend the time to invest a little bit more effort into making this design if that means you're still going to be working from home and somebody else is doing the printing, the packaging, and shipping for you. And so if you're willing to take that extra step to create something customized or hire a team that helps you with these orders, it unlocks a whole new echelon of revenue for gifting in particular that will help you with higher price points and larger revenue generating products. Now, I posted a video a couple of weeks ago talking about how ChatGPT has an insane amount of really great tools in it that helps print on demand sellers with their business, all the way from product creation and the titles and the headlines and the SEO to actually generating images for specific products that you can launch. I'll link that here. Check that out if you want like a more in-depth overview. And before I lose a lot of you, I know ChatGPT is kind of scary and I immediately also want to turn the opposite way. I'm going to try to break this down in the simplest way for us because it's really not that scary, and it is a very, very powerful tool that you will use if you have interest in getting into the personalized and customized space. And when we're talking about personalized or customized goods, what we mean by that is there is an element to the design that is able to be edited by the buyer. So they're able to add in a different name or a different element. And while those are all very fun and exciting, those are not super new, right? We could always do those with print on demand. You could go in and you could create a Canva template and change out the name with the font. Now there have been additional tools through Printify that allows you to actually go in and like automate your personalization process. But that's not very new right now, but the application has gotten a lot better. What was a little bit further of barrier to entry is doing different personalized goods outside of just customized text that actually allows you to change the design style of something. An example of that is here. This doesn't just take a name and change the name or a font and text and change those. It actually takes a photo and changes the design style to be more graphic and be more different. That is something that historically was a little bit harder unless you had actual design expertise to actually go ahead and make these changes. This person would beforehand actually have to take a photograph of a real life couple like such and edit it to look like the following. Now, with technology that exists, this is something that a lot of us could do and generate large amounts of revenue through platforms like Etsy or through Shopify and our own .com without having to have any design expertise whatsoever. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that. And so, as I always like to say on my channel, we're never going to verbatim copy what other people are doing, but we can see through a listing like that that's generating thousands of dollars per month that there is a market for people that want customized portraits and customized prints and products of their loved ones, their homes, their dogs, all types of different loved things. And we can make that a little bit different using our creativity and our ideas. So what I would encourage you to do is check out a website like this. This is basically just a site that walks through different famous art styles that were present and gives you examples of all these different types of art types. So you can get inspiration for different types of design aesthetics that you might want to launch your own print-on-demand product with. So there are really cool styles like Baroque. I always say things wrong on my channel and people come for me, so go ahead, come for me. Classicism, some other crazy designs onto here, conceptual art, constructivism, cubism, expressionism, pop art is a cool one. Rococo. This is really big right now within just the coquette girly theme. So this is an example. You can go through and get your art inspiration from all types of different platforms out there. But after taking a look at some inspiration and maybe other design styles that you want to tie through, I'm going to encourage you to go over to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is a generative AI supported platform that basically allows you to ask it questions and it spits things out. But in the last couple of months, they've actually launched image generation that allows you to give it prompts and it to spit things back out to you. What is tricky about AI is that it's very particular about the data that you give it in order to get outputs that you actually enjoy and are not terrible. What is very cool about the platform is if you already have an image of something, you can just ask it to change the style. And this is exactly where this gets really juicy for us in print on demand. So for an example, let's say that I wanted to launch a print for a new family that just moved into a new home or were leaving their first home. I can literally go into ChatGPT and I can say, hey, can you transform this into the Impressionism art style? And after it does its thing for a minute or two, it literally will spit out a beautiful little art print that perfectly mimics the house picture that I gave it, but in this new really cool art style. And it did that within seconds. We can take this a step further and we can say, hey, here's a dog picture. Can you change the following image to be American traditional tattoo style and add in a banner that says Bruno? This is something that I could imagine Father's Day right around the corner. Dads would love seeing this. Like, this is their dog. It's a beautiful, probably white lab or golden doodle. And they could go for something that's a little bit like cool, bro-y, rough around the edges. And what does it spit out? It spits out this beautiful American traditional tattoo style dog with a perfect like Bruno tag right tied to it. Get out of here. And then I said, let's keep going, right? I'm not done. I'm not finished with how cool this option is. And if you're not baffled by this and absolutely getting your creative juices flowing about what this could mean for you spending time generating income for yourself, I don't know what you're doing. Like and subscribe if you want more of this, by the way. Then I gave it this photo of this cute little house. Let's say you're a realtor and you are looking to give that little like housewarming gift to all of your clients. And you just want to show that like you are great at your job and it's that special over the edge touch for you. Or maybe you're just wanting to sell some new home products and you say, please change this image to be a watercolor style with the transparent background. Because I didn't like how these ones had like the backgrounds. I wanted to like, no, can you make it transparent? Like I can flip this into my own Canva software and add in text. Absolutely flabbergasted at how quickly and beautifully it spits these out for us. This is something that I could download, go over to Canva, add in some wording that says welcome home and then the address of this home and stick it onto a beautiful candle. And to take it a step further, I'm going to show you exactly what that would look like. So I'm going to go over to Printify and I'm going to put the dog Bruno and this beautiful home onto some products. You can see exactly how I would format those products. Okay, I'm back. It took me 4 minutes-ish to throw these up. So what I've done is I have added the beautiful Bruno over to the mug that I think just works so cute. And when you look at an image like this, there's already some really great mock-ups that we can tie this product to. But this is a product that I think could absolutely sell super well for probably any holiday. So you can create your SEO around every single holiday, including gift for mom, gift for dad, brother gift, pet lover gift, all types of things. And when you see this and you would add this as a personalized product, it took me 7 minutes if you actually include generating the image to actually do this. You could use this same thread on ChatGPT to continue to spit out additional pictures. So it spit it out this one time. The next time that I would upload this, I would say, great, swap out the dog for this image and change the name to Bernard. And then I would literally just go in, download that image and throw it up onto a new product and do that personalization this way. I mean, look how good this looks. And it literally took me 10 minutes. Also show you what I did for the candle for the home product as well. I thought it would be super cute to go ahead and add this graphic onto a candle. I've added it in a little bit of text for welcome home and then the image of the property as well as the address of the property too. So it just adds in this layer of customization and personalization. Again, it took me 5 minutes. So you can see here, really great mock-ups. This is the Lumiant candle. The other mug was the district photo mug. Super high margin product if you're able to offer this customized and personalized. And I literally did that each product within 5 to 10 minutes, depending on, you probably have to add in a few minutes to actually get these listed and personalized the way that you would like it. But super easy, super fresh, super creative, and I'm just really excited to see what you all do with this. I will include a link to Printify in the description below. ChatGPT has a free plan. I have upgraded to the $20 per month upgraded plan to be able to give me more access to downloads and generations. You may run out of credits if you're not on an upgraded plan. So keep that in mind. Like if your business really gets booming, you may have to upgrade to that plan. But if this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. I post videos weekly giving you the free sauce to how you can make money online.